Okay, if you haven't already done this, you'll need a copy of Node and NPM to install. And if you go to the Node.js org site, pick something appropriate for what you're doing. I'm on a Mac OS with a package. That's the simplest one. I click here, it downloads the package. I've actually installed this. These days, the current versions of Node come with NPM as a part of the distribution, so you get both. If you're on a Linux system and you use apt-get install node.js, it will not have NPM and it will install an ancient version. But you can install that, then you can do apt install npm, and then you can use npm to upgrade the whole thing. But you want to get to the current version of Node, which is like version 14. This is 14.16, but at least some version of 14. And for npm, you want to get to what is a decent version. It has to be a relatively recent version. npm minus minus version. I'll type this on a different window you can't see, but I have npm 6.14. So you want to get to something along those lines with that. Most of you are on Windows or Mac, so this is probably the thing, is download one of these, install it, and you have it set up. When you get done, you should end up with, yes, the point where you can do at the command line node minus version, just to version, and npm minus version. So this gives you a current versions of these. You notice that I'm actually on the newest version of npm, which is like 7 point something. But we use Node and we'll use npm to install the other tools that we need for building Solidity. One of those tools that has to be there is we'll use a thing called Truffle, and Truffle actually uses npm to do its installs under the cover. So it will install things like a Solidity compiler that is part of this, is the compilation of Solidity into the target language, the target binary. So you have to have a decent version of both of those.